Welcome to the brand new 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT in Fountain Blue. This SUV is powered by a 1.3-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Trailblazer, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and adjustable mirrors, automatic headlights, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, full digital gauge cluster, 11-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and satellite radio, push-to-start ignition, climate controls in the center of the dash. Below that, we have a single cigarette lighter outlet and 2 USB charging ports. And here in the center console, you can find your shifter and electronic parking brake. Taking a look at the exterior of the Trailblazer, starting off with the 17-inch wheels paired up with Continental Pro contact tires. Moving on, we have paint-matched door handles, paint-matched mirrors. Around the front of the vehicle, gold Chevrolet bow tie is in the center of the grille, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped and has keyless entry, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Roof rails are installed. At the back of the vehicle, we have the Trailblazer, all-wheel drive, Chevrolet bow tie, and LT badging here, all on the hatch. Heading back inside the Trailblazer, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible in the 60-40 split, allowing plenty of access to your trunk. We have a coat hanger hook on the driver's side of the vehicle, overhead reading lights, and storage pouches on the back of the seats. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.